Open at page number 115. First, I solve these two puzzle sum. Now look at this. The first one is given. Asta purchase 1 kilogram of tomatoes. Okay, or in them, don't try to write now. Okay, first try to understand, then write. Asta went to the market to purchase 1 kilogram of tomato. Yes, so now look at this. For this 1 kilogram tomato, definitely she has to pay something. Yes or no, Jinia? Okay, now what she paid? She gave 28 rupees 50 paise. That means she gave 28 rupees 50 paise. Yes, so yes or no? This thing we can write. All the students, Jinia, Rahat, understood? Zubair and Shadiq Farhan. Okay. Now look. But she bought 1 kilogram of tomato. She gave this amount. Okay. After giving this one, the grocer told that no, this is not enough money. You will have to give more money. Now more means how much? Look, extra 800 paise you have to pay more. Got it? Got it? Up to this understood? Achha, now that means the question asked, can you tell me how many more rupees the grocer demanded? How many more rupees the grocer demanded, Atreyi? 800 paise. The grocer asked. Yes, to Almashuddin. Now that one is equal to, is equivalent to, is equal to how much amount, how much rupee, how many rupees? Definitely 8 rupees. Yes or no? Spondon? Atreyi, just like 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise too. That means 8 rupee is equal to 800 paise. 3 rupee 300 paise. Now it is clear. 6 rupee 600 paise. Okay, good. That means the question, first question, look. First question was given. Can you tell me how much more rupees the grocer demanded? Yes. 800 paise he demanded. That means 8 rupee. Now the next question. Also find the total cost of 1 kilogram tomato. Total cost of 1 kilogram tomato means basically at first she gave this amount. After that the grocer again demanded for this one. We have to just add these two amounts now. That one will be the cost of tomato. Yes or no? Spondon, Farhan Akhtar, Almashuddin, Ayman Karan, Shaugato, Ankush, Samraj. Understood? Okay. No need to write. Wait. I am writing the answers over there. Rabiul Islam, understood? So write the answer. Now write the solution. Write Asta gave rupees 28 rupees 50 paise. Yes, but the grocer demanded demanded 800 paise more, not rupees. No need to write directly. Write 800 paise more. Written? और को प्रिया? इफ्रा संजीदा, आर्यन अहमद, Rabiul Islam. Acha, okay. So now, can you tell me, the question is, can you tell me how many more amount he demanded? That means now, 800 paise is equal to 8 rupee, na? Yes, so the grocer demanded 8 rupee more. Completed. Only the first part done, huh? The second part is still left. Aryan Ahmed, where are you? If you are not there, then I will have to mark you absent. Put the camera properly. Huh? Yes. Done to up to this? Okay, now let me. Aryan, don't move from your place. Do not move. Ritosri, Shogoto, Afroz Ali, Shakibuddin, completed? No, acha, okay, I'm waiting. Now completed. Ifra, Shakibuddin? No, okay. Now I am doing the next. Also find the cost of 1 kilogram tomatoes. Total cost is equal to rupees 8 rupees we have to add now 0 paise. If there is nothing, that means put 0 paise. Okay, look, 50, 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3. Wait a minute, just this one is decimal point, huh? All of you written? Now the next one, okay? I'm clear. I'm reading the next question first. Shuki went to market to purchase mangoes, for which she gave 2 notes of ₹10. This one done to Rabiul, Ayman, Shamraj, Farhan Akhtar and Ankush. Atrei, okay. Now look at this. The next one. Suki went to the market to purchase mangoes. She gave 2 notes of 20 rupees. Acha, Ankush, she to two notes of 10 rupees. Sorry, 2 notes of 10 rupee means Ankush, total how much? 10 rupee note, 2 are there. That means this is 10, this is also 10. Total will be what? Ankush? 20. Very good. Total 20. She gave and a 5 rupee note. Plus 1 5 rupee note also she gave. Okay? And a coin of rupees 1. Look at this. 2 notes of 10 rupee, that is 20. A 5 rupee notes and also 1 rupee coin. Now if I am asking you, how much money did Suki purchase the mango? For how much money? That means you will have to find the total cost of mango. Yes, Tom. Ayman, Ankush, Jennifer. Okay, okay. That means just we will have to add them. Okay, now write the statement properly. Right? Shuki gave 2 notes of rupees 10. That means that is equal to 20. ₹20. Got it? Shadik Farhan Atri Dantom. Acha, she also gave 5 rupee notes. 1 5 rupee note. And next, she gave a coin of ₹1. Now what to do? Total. Okay. For what? For how much money did Suki purchase the mango? Total cost. Done. Now just add them. Put the addition sign. Acha, 20 plus 5. 25 plus 1. Directly you can write now. 26. Put the addition sign. Completed form. Okay, I am waiting for 1 more minute. Write this one. Okay. Now I'll move for page number 116. Next page. After this, all of you, if you have completed, you can raise your hand. Send me hand raise sticker, then I can understand. Those who have completed, raise your hand. जिसने जिसने कंप्लीट कर दिया हाथ ऊपर करो. That means send me that hand raise sticker. Good. Orindam beta not done. Ankush, Orindam. Spondon, Shaugato not done. Okay, then I am waiting for 2 more minutes. All of you understood though this homework? Again, I am telling, it is given cost of 1 kilogram. Wheat is rupees 14. What will be the cost of 16 kilogram of wheat? So I told, instead of adding 16 times 14 plus 14 plus 14, we will have to add 16 times now. Instead of doing this Fatia, what we are doing? Just multiplying. And this type of multiplication already done in class. Yes, Tom. So, yes, okay. So this one will be your homework, okay? Suppose you are unable to solve this, then tomorrow I will solve this. Now the name I am calling, they will show me their copy as well as book. Okay?